Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, the impact of wilderness tourism. First 1 to 3 questions are paragraph heading. First question is section A. Its heading is number 3, fragile regions and reasons for the expansion of tourism there. Fragile regions और वहाँ पर tourism बढ़ने के कारण. As the 1992 United Nations Conference on Environment and Development recognized these regions are fragile, highly vulnerable to abnormal pressures not just in terms of their ecology, but also in terms of the culture of their inhabitants. The three most significant types of fragile environment in these respect, and also in terms of the proportion of the Earth's surface they cover, are deserts, mountains and Arctic areas. An important characteristic is their marked seasonality. Tourists are drawn to these regions by their natural landscape beauty and the unique cultures of their indigenous people. Next is section B. Its heading is number 5, some of the disruptive effects of wilderness tourism. Wilderness tourism के कुछ negative impact. The physical impact of visitors is another serious problem associated with the growth in adventure tourism. Much attention has focused on erosion along major trails, but perhaps more important are the deforestation and impact on water supplies arising from the need to provide tourists with cooked food and hot showers. In both mountains and deserts, slow-growing trees are often the main sources of fuel and water supplies may be limited or vulnerable to degradation through heavy use. Next is section C. Its heading is number 2. How local communities can balance their own needs with the demands of wilderness tourism. Local government अपनी need और tourism की demand को कैसे balance कर सकते हैं? Many of the Arctic tourist destinations have been exploited by outside companies, who employ transient workers and repatriate most of the profit to their home base. But some Arctic communities are now operating tour businesses themselves, thereby ensuring that the benefits accrue locally. For instance, a native corporation in Alaska, employing local people, is running an air tour from Anchorage to Kotzebue, where tourists eat Arctic food, walk on the tundra and watch local musicians and dancers. Next 4 to 9 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is the low financial cost of setting up wilderness tourism makes it attractive to many countries. विल्डरनेस की सेटिंग की कॉस्ट कम होने की वजह से बहुत सारी कंट्रीज इस तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. The market for tourism in remote areas is booming as never before. Countries all across the world are actively promoting their wilderness regions, such as mountains, Arctic lands, deserts, small islands and wetlands, to high-spending tourists. The attraction of these areas is obvious. By definition, wilderness tourism requires little or no initial investment. तो यहाँ पे क्लियर है कि कम इन्वेस्टमेंट के कारण काफ़ी कंट्रीज इसे प्रमोट कर रही हैं. तो इसका आंसर येस होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डेजर्ट्स, माउंटेन्स एंड आर्कटिक रीजन्स आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट्स दैट आर बोथ इकोलॉजिकली एंड कल्चरली फ्रैजाइल. डेजर्ट्स, माउंटेन्स एंड आर्कटिक रीजन्स इकोलॉजिकली एंड कल्चरली फ्रैजाइल होने के एग्जाम्पल हैं. These regions are fragile, highly vulnerable to abnormal pressure not just in terms of their ecology, but also in terms of the culture of their inhabitants. The three most significant types of fragile environment in these respects, and also in terms of the proportion of the Earth's surface they cover are deserts, mountains and Arctic regions. तो similar statement होने की वजह से इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next question is, wilderness tourism operates throughout the year in fragile areas. Fragile areas में wilderness tourism सारा साल काम करते हैं. An important characteristic is their marked seasonality with harsh conditions prevailing for many months each year. Harsh conditions की वजह से ये सीजन में काम करता है न कि सारा साल, तो इसका आंसर no होगा. Next question is, the spread of tourism in certain hill regions has resulted in a fall in the amount of food produced locally. कुछ hill regions में tourism की वजह से जो local food produce होता है उसमें गिरावट आई है. In some hill regions, this has led to a serious decline in farm output and a change in the local diet because there is insufficient labor to maintain terraces and irrigation systems and tend to crops. Insufficient labor की वजह से food output में serious decline हुई है, तो इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next question is traditional food gathering in desert societies was distributed evenly over the year. ट्रेडिशनल फूड गैदरिंग डेजर्ट सोसाइटीज में पूरा साल बराबर बराबर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता था. In Arctic and desert societies, year-round survival has traditionally depended on hunting animals and fish and collecting fruit over a relatively short season. तो इसका मतलब सारा साल बराबर नहीं होता, बल्कि कितना कर पाते हैं उस पे डिपेंड करता है. तो इसका आंसर नो होगा. Next question is not given. Next 10 to 13 questions are to complete a table. एक तरफ people और location दी गई है और दूसरी तरफ उनकी एक्टिविटीज बतानी है. फर्स्ट है स्विस पेस डनहाउट रिवाइव प्रोडक्शन ऑफ. किस चीज का प्रोडक्शन इन्होंने रिवाइव किया? लोकल कंसर्न अबाउट द राइजिंग नंबर ऑफ सेकंड होम डेवलपमेंट्स इन द स्विस पेस डनहाउट रिजल्टेड इन लिमिट्स बीइंग इम्पोज्ड ऑन देयर ग्रोथ. देयर हैज आल्सो बीन रेनेसांस इन कम्युनल चीज प्रोडक्शन. रेनेसांस का मतलब रिवाइवल, दोबारा से आना, तो इसका आंसर चीज होगा. तो यहाँ पे कम्युनल चीज लिखा है, वो भी सही है, पर क्योंकि आपको वन वर्ड में आंसर करना है इसलिए आप सिर्फ चीज लिखोगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आर्कटिक कम्युनिटीज ऑपरेट डैश बिजनेस. आर्कटिक कम्युनिटीज कौन सा बिजनेस ऑपरेट करते हैं? बट सम आर्कटिक कम्युनिटीज आर नाउ ऑपरेटिंग टू अ बिजनेसेस. तो इसका आंसर टूरिज्म होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Acoma and Son Ildefonso produce and sell. The Acoma and Son Ildefonso Pueblos have established highly profitable pottery businesses. तो इसका आंसर pottery होगा. Next question is Navajo and Hopi produce and sell, while the Navajo and Hopi groups have been similarly successful with jewelry. तो इसका आंसर jewelry होगा. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.